Hi everyone, welcome to our Monday morning set 2 speed sound lesson. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. Right, let's have a look at the sound we're going to do today. So we are going to have a look at the sound uh, uh. Good. And if I think of some words that have got a sound in, I can think of shook. I can think of cook. And I can think of book. Good. Well done. Right, let's have a look at the rhyme then that makes up our special friend. So, what have we got today? Oh, wow, look, we can see there are two people here today. They might be a mother and son. They could be an older sister and brother. And they are having a look at a book. Look at a book. Look at a book. Good, well done. Right, let's have a look at our special friends then today. Let's see what letters make up our sound. Think in your head, can you think what they are? Oh, look, it's two O's, an O and an O. And when you see them together in a word, they make the sound uh, uh. Good, now sometimes this special friend makes the sound ooh, doesn't it? But today we're only looking at words where when you see these two O's together in a word, they make the sound uh. Good, so this side was and this side was look at a book. Good, right, let me see if I can catch you out then. Ready? First one is did I catch you out? Hope so. Right, I'm going to put our sound into our pack of sounds we should already know. And then you're going to see if you can spot it. And if you see it in our pack, I want you to point at the screen and shout, Ready? First sound is... Did you see it? Did you spot it? Good, well done. Right, going to put it into our pack again. Ready? First sound is... Right, last time. Then it goes into the pack of sounds. Ready? First sound is... Well done, you found it. Right, let's put our sounds down and let's have a look at some green words that have got our sound in. So, do you remember, special friends, Fred talk, read the word. So, my turn first. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, book. Right, your turn. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, cook. Well done. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, look. Fantastic. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, shook. Brilliant. Right, this time Fred in your head. My turn first. Fred in my head, book. Don't read the word till I push the card forward. Right, your turn. Fred in your head, cook. Fred in your head, look. Well done. Next one, Fred in your head, shook. Fantastic. Right, this time speedy reading of our green words. Are you ready? First one is book. Your turn. Well done. Right, I'm going to put a couple of words from our sound from Friday into our pack of sounds, and let's see if you can remember what they are. Ready? I'm just going to put them in, jumble them up. Okay, right, first word, book, your turn. Lair, lair, well done. Fair. Chair. Lair. Fair. Chair. Well done if you remembered those. Right, let's have a look at our alien words now. Are you ready to pop your aliens on? Ready? Good, right. Alien words. Remember, don't make any sense. We need to use our special friends, Fred Talk, read the word to work out what they say. So, my turn first. Special friends. Fred Talk. Split. Your turn. Special friends. Fred Talk. Read the word. Thuck. Well done. Special friends. Fred Talk. Read the word. Wood. Well done. Special friends. Fred Talk. Read the word. Dread. Well done. Special friends. Fred Talk. Read the word. Shum. Well done. Special friends. Fred Talk. Read the word. Gov. Well done. Right, this time. Oh no, we don't need to do that with our alien words, do we? So well done. That was really good reading. Oh, did we have two in there that were the same? I think we did. Did we have two druids? Oh no, one was druid, one was wood. Good, that's fine. Right, so let's take off our aliens then. And get whatever you're using to do your spelling with you. And we'll have a go at spelling some of our words with our sounds in from today. So hide your Fred fingers from me. Let's start with the word look. How many sounds are in the word look? Show me how many. You should be holding up 3 Fred fingers. Let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Write it down. Right, let's have a go at spelling that together then. Are you ready? First sound in the word look was ooh. Then we had our special friend made up of 2 O's. When we write it, we don't need to put the little I's in. We need to remember that that's not part of the letter formation. That's just to help us recognise our sound. And then the last sound in look is ooh, isn't it? Well done if you remember the right type of k. So give yourself a tick for ooh, tick for and a tick for k. If it doesn't look quite like mine, you can fix it so that it does. Well done. Right, next word. Ready? Hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word shook? Show me how many. Good. 3 again, isn't it? Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down for shook. 1, 2, 3. Sh, k. Write it down. Sh, k. Right, shall we try and spell that together? You ready? So first sound in the word shook was sh, which is a special friend. 2 letters, 1 sound. So it's made up of a s and a h, isn't it? So we can underline that special friend for sh. Next sound was so it's our sound for today. 2 O's together. 2 letters, 1 sound, oh. And last sound in shook was k. So it's the same k as in look. So tick for sh, tick for and a tick for k. If you got that, well done, super. Right, slightly tricky now. So we're going to do our 2 review sound words. So sound from yesterday. Remember, we just read some of them when we went through our green words. So how many sounds, hide your thread fingers from me, how many sounds are in the word fair? Fair. How many? Show me. You should be holding up 2 thread fingers. So let's pinch the sounds together for fair and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Air. Air. Here's a tricky one, isn't it? Air. Fair. Right, ready to spell that together then? So we've got, and then our air special friend, 3 letters, 1 sound, a, I, and an air. So tick for f, and if you remember that air sound, air, that's not fair, well done. A, I, air. Right, last review word then. Hide your thread fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word chair? Harder this word, chair. How many? Show me. You should be holding up 2 thread fingers. Right, let's pinch the sounds together for chair and write them down. 1, 2, 3. Ch, air. Ch, air. Right, let's see if we can spell it together. Ready? We've got our first special friend, ch. Remember, it's made up of a k and a h. Ch. And then for air, got our 3 letters, 1 sounds again. A, I, air. So 2 ticks this time. Tick for ch, tick for air. Well done if you remember that. And if you got all 4 of those right, superstars. But remember, if they don't look quite like mine, fix them so they do. But next time you remember, help you to remember. Well done, that's absolutely brilliant. We did a fantastic job of our spelling today. So let's give ourselves, I think we'll do a round of applause today. So start at the top, we're going to do a round of applause. Ready? Round of applause. One more round of applause. I want for luck, round of applause. Well done, everyone. Right, go onto the Oxford Owl site now, please, and read your book, which is relevant to your colour. Have a lovely day, and I will see you again tomorrow for more of our speed sounds. Bye.